a very quick single taken. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be 4. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That is huge beat. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Spinner into the action from the other end. Slips in place. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Strokes it into the gap for a single. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. That is an aggressive field in place. I like how they're going for wickets at this stage. Edged and 4. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Got the elevation right. but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. His first ball. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Straight up in the air, and that's a single. Can he do it again? Oh, shot, but only a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for six. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Not just for a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. They're placed at point. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. That is a very quick single taken. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. Strokes it into the gap for a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. They would definitely have a score in their mind. Oh, shot, but only a single. Not just for a single. Direct hit and that's out. has to walk back to the pavilion. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he holds to his feet. And he helps himself to a 6. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Last ball of the innings coming up. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up for the chase.